Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the mesmerizing world of sari fashion with none other than the stylish Rashi Khanna. Known for her impeccable sense of style, Rashi has been setting trends and turning heads with her stunning sari looks. So, let's take a closer look at some of her most memorable sari moments. The actress effortlessly carries off timeless silk saris with poise and grace. Whether it's a rich Kanjivaram or a traditional Banarasi silk, she adds her own touch of sophistication to these classic ensembles. Embracing contemporary trends, Rashi occasionally opts for modern draped saris that offer a unique twist to the traditional attire. These saris feature unconventional drapes or pre-stitched pleats, adding a dash of modernity to her look. The beauty is often seen donning designer saris crafted by renowned designers. These saris boast intricate embellishments, elaborate borders, and exquisite craftsmanship, making them perfect for special occasions and red carpet events. For a more casual yet stylish look, she chooses printed saris in vibrant colors and eclectic patterns. Whether it's floral motifs, geometric designs, or abstract prints, she effortlessly pulls off these chic saris with panache. Adding a touch of glamour to her wardrobe, the actress opts for sheer saris adorned with intricate embroidery or embellishments. These saris exude elegance and sophistication, making her stand out at formal events and parties. She also experiments with fusion saris that blend traditional elements with contemporary silhouettes. These saris often feature unconventional fabrics, innovative drapes, and modern embellishments, showcasing her fashion-forward sensibility. Rashi Khanna embraces the beauty of handloom saris, often seen wearing them at various events. Whether it's a traditional hand-woven cotton sari or a sophisticated linen drape, she promotes the rich heritage of Indian handloom textiles with her graceful attire. Half and half saris, featuring contrasting colors or fabrics in the pallu and pleats, are another favorite of Rashi Khanna. These saris offer a contemporary twist to the traditional look, allowing her to play with color blocking and creative combinations. The actress effortlessly pulls off the delicate charm of lace and net saris, which exude femininity and sophistication. These saris often feature intricate lacework, floral motifs, or sheer panels, adding a touch of romance to her ensemble. Opting for a modern take on the traditional sari, Rashi occasionally chooses sari gowns for special occasions. These innovative ensembles combine the elegance of a sari with the convenience of a gown, featuring draped silhouettes, intricate pleating, and floor-sweeping trains. The actress pays homage to India's diverse cultural heritage by showcasing regional sari styles from different parts of the country. Whether it's the vibrant Bandhani saris of Gujarat, the intricate Patola saris of Patan, or the graceful tanned saris of Bengal, she celebrates the unique craftsmanship and traditions of each region. The actress elevates her sari looks with statement blouse designs that steal the spotlight. From intricately embellished blouses to trendy crop tops and off-shoulder styles, she ensures that her blouse complements the sari while making a bold fashion statement of its own. Embracing the simplicity of monochrome elegance, the actress opts for saris in single solid colors for a sophisticated look. Organza saris embellished with intricate embroidery are a go-to choice for Rashi when she wants to make a statement. These lightweight and ethereal saris feature delicate thread work, zari, or sequin embellishments, creating a mesmerizing effect as she glides through events with elegance. Adding a playful touch to her sari looks, the actress occasionally opts for saris adorned with tassel details. Whether it's tassels along the pallu edges, dangling from the blouse hem, or embellishing the sari borders, these fun accents inject a sense of whimsy and movement into her attire. For a contemporary twist on traditional drapes, the beauty experiments with layered saris. These saris feature multiple layers of fabric or attached dupattas, creating a dynamic and voluminous silhouette. She often pairs these layered saris with statement belts or waist cinchers for added definition. Rashi plays with contrasts by opting for saris with a contrasting pallu. Whether it's a bold color contrast or a juxtaposition of different fabrics, such as silk and chiffon, these saris draw attention to the draping style and add visual interest to her overall look. Embracing Indo-Western fusion, the actress pairs her saris with stylish jackets or capelets for a contemporary edge. These jackets can range from intricately embroidered to tailored blazers or ethnic shrugs, adding layers and dimension to her ensemble while making a fashion-forward statement. Rashi channels old world charm with vintage-inspired saris featuring nostalgic motifs, retro prints, or classic color palettes. These saris evoke a sense of timeless elegance and sophistication, allowing her to showcase her appreciation for vintage aesthetics. The actress showcases her artistic side with saris featuring bold and abstract prints. From geometric patterns to abstract motifs and painterly designs, these artistic print saris add a contemporary flair to her wardrobe, reflecting her eclectic taste and creative sensibilities. The actress adds a contemporary twist to her sari ensembles by pairing them with chic capes. These cape saris feature either attached or detachable cape-like overlays, which add drama and sophistication to her look. Whether it's a sheer chiffon cape for a breezy vibe or a structured capelet for a more tailored appeal, she effortlessly elevates her sari game with this modern addition. Opting for convenience without compromising on style, the actress occasionally chooses pre-draped saris. These saris come with pre-stitched pleats and pallu, allowing for easy wearing and a flawless drape. She often selects pre-draped saris with contemporary silhouettes or innovative twists, making a statement with her effortless yet fashionable attire. Embracing the fusion of Indian and Western elements, the actress pairs her saris with trendy peplum blouses. These fitted blouses feature flared waistlines, adding a touch of modern flair to her traditional sari ensemble. Whether it's a sleek peplum blouse in a solid color or one embellished with intricate embroidery, she exudes contemporary elegance in this stylish combination. Rashi exudes ethereal charm in saris with sheer overlay panels. These saris feature translucent overlays made of chiffon, georgette, or net fabric, which add a layer of delicacy and grace to her look. Whether the overlay is embellished with embroidery, sequins, or lace appliques, she captivates with her enchanting sari choices. Adding a touch of glamour and structure to her sari ensembles, the actress often accessorizes with statement belts. These belts cinch her waist, creating a defined silhouette and adding visual interest to her look. Whether it's a metallic chain belt, a bejeweled waistband, or a sleek leather belt, she effortlessly enhances her sari outfit with this stylish accessory. The actress exudes sophistication in saris paired with high-neck blouses. These blouses feature a raised neckline, offering a refined and elegant aesthetic to her sari ensemble. Whether it's a sheer high-neck blouse adorned with delicate lace or a structured high-neck blouse with intricate embroidery, she exudes timeless charm in this classic combination. Rashi showcases her contemporary style with saris featuring vibrant digital prints. These saris boast bold and eye-catching designs, ranging from abstract patterns to scenic landscapes and geometric motifs. Whether it's a digital print sari in bright hues or subtle pastel tones, she makes a fashion statement with her modern and artistic choices. For a fusion-inspired look, Rashi pairs her saris with stylish tunics or kurta tops. These tunics feature contemporary silhouettes, such as asymmetric hemlines, shirt-style collars, or boxy cuts, adding a fashion-forward edge to her sari ensemble. Whether it's a matching tunic or a contrasting top, she effortlessly blends Indian and Western elements for a unique and trendy look. And there you have it, Rashi Khanna's sari fashion choices are a perfect blend of tradition, modernity, vibrancy, and elegance. Whether she's donning a classic silk sari or experimenting with contemporary designs, Rashi never fails to leave a lasting impression with her impeccable style. Which of her sari looks is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.